Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. For Part A, Add Review should always add the given product review object to review list. Then it should get the product name by calling prodreview.name. If that name not already in product list, it should be added there as well. A simple correct implementation is public void add review prod review list.add prod review. If not, product list.contains prod review.thename, product list.add prod review.thename. For Part B, get num good reviews. Should examine every product review in review list. For each review, first check whether its product name matches prod name using equals. If it matches, then check whether the review text contains the lowercase substring. Best, because Java string searching is case sensitive, contains best or index of best greater than 0, works correctly. It counts best inside words such as asbestos, but does not count best or best. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.